Did you know these surprising Mario lore facts? Prepare to be amazed as we explore some fascinating and lesser-known facts about the iconic video game franchise featuring the beloved plumber. The Mario series has been captivating audiences since its debut in 1985, and there is so much more to it than meets the eye. One intriguing aspect is the origin of the character's name. Mario was originally known as Jumpman in the 1981 arcade game Donkey Kong. The name change occurred when the character was given a more defined personality and backstory, inspired by Mario Segel, the landlord of the warehouse where Nintendo of America was located. Another surprising detail is the existence of a character named Wario, who was introduced in 1992. Wario is portrayed as Mario's rival and embodies a greedy and mischievous persona. Interestingly, his name is a combination of the Japanese word for bad, which is Warui, and Mario's name, reflecting his role as an antagonist. Additionally, the character of Princess Peach has a rich history. Originally introduced as Princess Toadstool in the early games, her name was changed to Princess Peach in the United States with the releases of Super Mario 64 in 1996. This change was made to better align with her character's identity and to enhance her role in the series. Did you know that the iconic power-up, the Super Mushroom, was inspired by a real-life mushroom? The developers drew inspiration from the Amanita muscaria mushroom, which is known for its distinctive red cap with white spots. This power-up allows Mario to grow in size and gain additional abilities, becoming a staple of the gameplay experience. Moreover, the Mario franchise has expanded beyond video games into various forms of media, including animated television shows, comic books, and even a feature film released in 1993. The franchise's influence has permeated popular culture, making it one of the most recognizable brands in the world. Lastly, the series has a unique connection to the speedrunning community. Players often compete to complete games in the shortest time possible, utilizing glitches and advanced techniques to achieve record-breaking times. This competitive aspect has fostered a vibrant community that continues to celebrate the legacy of the Mario series. These facts only scratch the surface of the rich lore surrounding the Mario franchise, showcasing its evolution and the creativity behind its characters and gameplay. Each new installment continues to build upon this legacy, ensuring that Mario remains a beloved figure in the gaming world.